Welcome back to our kitchen. Today we're going to be making a chocolate chip walnut brownie, and they're brownie bites. So we're going to be using a small muffin tin, just a little bite-sized top, and they're going to be great. Daniel's going to help me out again. How are you doing?
Good.
Good? Ticklish?
No.
Sure. So to start with, we're going to be using 13 ounces of white sugar. I'm going to add these to the bowl. Three ounces of cocoa powder. One cup of all-purpose flour. And a good pinch of salt. Then we're going to use the paddle, and we're just going to mix it all together on a slow speed. And once all these ingredients are combined, it's only going to take 10-15 seconds. Then we'll add the rest of the remaining ingredients. So our dry ingredients are combining. It's only taken 15-20 seconds, and it's all mixed up. What we're going to add now is our 4 whole eggs and 8 ounces of melted butter. What you want to do is add these together at the same time. So it's getting enough liquid to just turn it into a nice brownie mix. We'll add 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence and 2 tablespoons of water. And then we can turn it up a speed. So our chocolate brownie mix it's all mixed, and it's a nice consistency, no lumps. Now we're going to add 3/4 of a cup of chocolate chips. Daniel will add that. He sits up here because he likes to watch the machine moving around. And we're adding 3/4 of a cup of chopped walnuts. That just takes a few seconds and we can turn it off and we're done. Can you turn it off? So we've incorporated all our ingredients and ended up with our chocolate muffin mix. I did call them muffins. We're just going to use a teaspoon and take a teaspoonful of mixture and just wipe off with your finger into the cavity, and that's enough. And Daniel's going to help me do that. So we're done filling our container. Today the walnuts in the muffins are totally optional. You don't have to have them in if you don't want them. You can leave them out.
Before we put it in the oven, can I put something else on it?
You want to put something else in them?
Yeah.
Like what?
Peanut M&ms.
Peanut M&M. We can try.
Yeah.
What's your favorite color?
Any?
And we can just pop them on top, I guess. I'll pop it on top and push it in the center a little bit.
And which ones? How many?
Any, I guess. A few.
A few?
Never done this before. We can test them. It's like a Kinder surprise. Another couple.
Mm-hmm.
And there you go. I guess you can switch it up and Add whatever you want. We'll bake them and see how they come out. So we're going to bake these at 350 degrees for around 12 minutes. So that took 12 minutes in the convection bake oven. If you've got an older conduction oven, I'd do 15 to 18 minutes, but these are great. And what we're going to do is just let them cool for 5 minutes before we take them out. You can cover them well. So we've taken our little mini muffin bites out of the tin, and we're just going to finish decorating with dusted sugar and fresh raspberries. And Daniel has his peanut M&ms. And there they are. Perfect. Do you want to try one?
Yeah.
You like dusting?
Yeah.
Do you want to try a peanut M&M?
Mm-hmm.
See what they're like? I'll try one of these. So good.
Mm-hmm.
So that's our chocolate chip walnut mini muffins. They're beautiful.